Welcome to 4th grade with Mrs. Hetman. This school year, we will use Google Classroom to organize our daily communication and activities. Think of it like a digital planner. When you first open Google Classroom, you may have a new class to join. Make sure you tap on that Join button in order to be included in all of the assignments and communication updates. You may also see classes that were from last year. Make sure you go and hit the ellipses or those right 3 buttons and unenroll from old classes so that you no longer have them in your to-do list or your class stream. Once you open up a class like the Hetman Math and Science class, you'll be in the stream. And we will use the stream for announcements, for attendance, and for updates on our Zoom calls. Here we have a Padlet check-in. This is an example of what I'll use to get attendance every day. So you'll click on the link, it will open up Padlet, and when you post there, I'll be able to mark you as present. Down here, I've got Zoom calls, and you'll see again, you have to open up that announcement in order to get to the link that will take you to the Zoom meeting link. We will use Classwork, which is located at the bottom in the middle of your Google Classroom. You can filter by topic, so I'll have things posted by math or by science. And the activities you'll see posted are assignments, quizzes, and quick checks. Quick checks are like an entrance or an exit ticket, just so I can gauge where you're at. Make sure you mark all assignments as done when you've completed them so that I can grade them, give you feedback, and make sure you get credit for the activities that you've done. Let me go through another one a little bit slower. For example, if I choose this Topic 1-1 Keynote Practice Buddy, I want to make sure I tap on it so I can read all of the instructions. The file itself is in the Icloud folder, so I don't need to attach anything, but I do need to mark this assignment as done. There will be times that you'll get to Google Classroom before I have something posted, and if you notice something is missing or that you feel should be there, to refresh your screen, just pull down from the top of the iPad to the middle, and you'll get that little red arrows that will spin in a circle. That will refresh your stream or your classwork. One thing that we will use is the to-do list in order to help keep you organized. So the to-do list will list everything that is missing or past due, anything that has no due date, which won't come from me. I'll always have a due date on your assignments, and then also your due dates coming up. So you can see here due Tuesday, due Wednesday, and then due on August 14th. When you tap on any of those assignments, it takes you right to it. So here we have a science slideshow. When I tap on the Google Doc attachment, it's going to open up a preview. In order to actually see the doc in Google Docs, I need to tap this arrow in the top right-hand corner, and it will launch Google Docs for me. This one happens to be view only, so we will go back to that same assignment and we'll open up the Google Slide attachment. So you can see the yellow one is We Love Science. When we tap on that, again, because it's a Google file, we'll just get a preview. If we tap on that arrow in the top right corner, it will open Google Slides for us. And this is just a template for you to build on. So for this particular assignment, it's going to be beneficial to actually have Google Docs and Google Slides side by side. So I want both of those applications running, and then I can drag my slides over to the side and split my iPad screen. I can even move my screen sizes here so that I've got more room to work on my Google Slideshow. I mentioned we're going to use Icloud Folders, and that's why you won't have attachments when you see things that are Keynote or Pages or even numbers. These Icloud folders can be found in your Files application. Go to iCloud, And in iCloud, you'll notice these folders that have 2 profile pictures on them. And you'll notice when you open it, it says Shared by Jody Hetman. This is where I will place your work for the day or the week ahead of time so that you can access stuff like the Keynote Practice Buddies. Now, parents, I would urge you, when you get an email from me with this Guardian Summary invite, please accept that invite. So what I'll do is I'll go into each student and add your primary email. For example, momanddad@gmail.com. And then I will hit invite. And when you accept that, you're going to be able to get weekly summaries from Google Classroom so that you don't have to log in to your child's Google Classroom account. Here's an example. This is from Google themselves of what you might see. So you could have a section of missing work, what's due next week, and then just a summary of activities from the week prior. So in summary, we will use Google Classroom like a digital planner. It's my way of communicating with parents and with students of the activities that we have upcoming, as well as giving you morning messages, a way to take attendance, and a way to communicate our Zoom call links. Thanks, everyone. I hope you're looking forward to a great year ahead.